Hi guys, and welcome to my trading recap of the day. Yesterday I didn't have free time to do a recap, so I just did a post right right here. As you can see, I lost like $300, something like that. So yeah. So today I'm gonna do the trading recap because yesterday I didn't have time. So today I have time. So here we go. And today I traded on gold, Nasdaq. Well, as you can see, since the open on Nasdaq, it was pretty, I don't know how to say it. It was pretty fucked up, it was like boom, boom, I don't know. At the beginning, I didn't saw an opportunity on Nasdaq, so I didn't want to take the risk to try to trade on this because it wasn't that clear. The market moves a lot, so yeah, I was kind of looking to something more clean. So that's where I looked on gold, and I saw that gold was pretty much more clean than Nasdaq. Because here, that's when the open started, and yeah, it was pretty clean. So yeah, here, as you can see, well, I didn't mark it, but here there's a internal liquidity sweep right here. So yeah, I think I marked it, but in my head, I didn't mark it in the chart yet. Yeah. So here, as you can see here, downtrend right here all the night, downtrend. Then here, a move that could look like a move to a reverse. Then the price go down, and then just did a liquidity sweep right here, internal liquidity sweep, and then the price push up here. So that's when I marked my equilibrium right here. And at the open, I was waiting to see if the price just go down to to the discount of equilibrium. So yeah, so I dropped on 1 minute time frame right there, and you can see clearly. Oh well, that's misleading. So you can see clearly here that the zone of equilibrium, the discount, was perfect tick on that 1 minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. So yeah, so here when the price pushed down, I saw here that the price, touched the fair value gap, at the same time that was on the discount of equilibrium and push up. So yeah, I saw that the price, a lot of time right here in that zone, a lot of time touched that fair value gap, and this was pretty much a support right here. And I saw here too that there was a change state of delivery right there. The bullish candle here just closed above the body of the candle right here. So yeah, there's a change state of delivery. And as you can see here, when I saw that this candle, this hammer, touched the change state of delivery, and at the same time we can say that did a little liquidity sweep here, well, this was pretty much my confirmation. But as you know, every day, every morning I trade while working, and it's pretty much difficult because I cannot always look to my phone. I have to hide before look at my phone. So yeah, sometimes I entered too early or too late. So this was the case right here. When the price was like here, I was looking too long, but I was walking. So yeah, after I have a moment, free moment, I saw that the price here, pretty much here, I wanted too long, but then the price push up here when I saw in 5 minutes the candle right here. Here the candle was like pushing up. Here I just entered long in 1 minute time frame. I entered long right there, and I put my stop loss like there's liquidity right here. sell side liquidity right here. So I put my stop loss below this liquidity to make sure to not be stopped out. So here, well, the price just push up, and yeah, this was my stop loss right here below this liquidity, this sell side liquidity, and my TP was on that buy side liquidity that was pretty much a equal high with those two highs was pretty much a equal highs. So this was pretty much my target to long. So here, when the price push up, I entered with three contracts, and as you know, right now I'm trying to scale up little by little. So here, as you can see here, there's like a position here, entry here, entry here. That's because I added one contract, one micro. So here, when I saw that those candles, when I saw this candle become green and then do a hammer, that's where I added one micro. Oh, shit. That's where I added one micro. God damn. Okay. That's where I added one micro, because I was kind of confident with that hammer. So yeah, so then the price was a bit testing right here in that buy side liquidity here, pretty much a break and retest right there. So that's where when I saw another hammer like that, I was kind of confident to add another micro. So that's where I added one more micro. So right here in that position, I was with 5 contracts. I started with 3, then I scaled up to 5 contracts, and then I was kind of confident, so I just let it run. Then I saw that the price pushed down here. I could have had one more, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna let it run. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna, take some profits or add some profits. I'm just gonna let it run. So yeah. I was working, then I saw that the price was pushing up, and then boom, right there, touched my TP in that buy side liquidity. And as you can see, it goes a little bit up more, but then just chop. That's pretty much choppy. So yeah, I prefer to stick to my TP, because if I didn't put my TP, I swear I'm gonna be greedy. So my TP just was perfect. It was in this, I think it was a 5-minute bearish for value gap, and it was pretty much the resistance. So this was a very, very good TP for me. So yeah, this was my trade. And yeah, as you know, it was done on my Express 100 account. So yeah, here I just make my money back. I'm back on profits on 215. So yeah, it was pretty good. Well, first day, it was kind of choppy, the market. Then yesterday I lost, and then today, yeah. So yeah, this was my recap of the day. And I'm also on a combine. I'm copy trading my XFA with a combine. So yeah, so this was pretty much my trade of the day. On gold, I'm pretty much confident. Well, I'm pretty happy with my habits that I make here, because I was waiting to my setup. When I saw good opportunity to scale up, to add contracts, I added contracts when I saw good opportunity. So yeah, pretty happy with this trade, and yeah, stay focused. So yeah, so thank you to watch my video. Hope you enjoy it, and see you tomorrow, guys.